Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around the 69 registered Nissan Navara pickup truck. This is the double cab Tekna model and it's absolutely superb. It's done 16,000 miles and comes with the balance of the manufacturer's guarantee, and it's just been serviced at the Nissan garage in February 2022. So ready to drive away should you wish to purchase it. Now this vehicle is finished in the black metallic paintwork, which looks absolutely fantastic. Now it's the facelift model, so the newer model, which can be easily recognised with the LED style headlamps and the bi-colour black 18-inch alloy wheels. Now they're in superb order, as one would expect for a vehicle which is just over 18 months, 19 months old. Everything about these trucks absolutely brilliant. We sell a lot of double cab pickups, whether it be Navara, Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux. They seem to be the market leaders now in all guises. So they're fully loaded with everything on the outside, so side steps, chrome exterior pack, roof bars. This one's got the privacy glass in as well. As you can see down the side of the passengers, beautiful, free from dent, ding. This one has the 360 surround cameras, so very easy to park, very easy to manoeuvre in tight spaces. As the sticker says there, you get a 5-year, 100,000 mile warranty with a Navara pickup. We've got both keys, tailored mats, lovely, lovely vehicle throughout. I have drove it and it drives like brand new. Which, as I say, comes straight from the Nissan service centre to us today. So you've got the power door, so you press the button there and they lock, and then you just literally press the button again and it unlocks and you get in. I've got the 2 keys in my pocket, as you can see there. So fully loaded, so we've got power folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, the leather seats in great condition. They always tend to have a few creases on the base because you're climbing in, but the interior is in immaculate order. 16,597 miles, as the speedo says there. Dip the clutch, press the start button, and hope she starts. Cruise control and speed limiter, automatic wipers, and also automatic headlamps. So let's see. No, they're not automatic wipers, sorry. But fully loaded inside. Big screen satellite navigation. Press OK and there you go, your SAT NAV. Once you select reverse gear, the camera there on the left is 360 round, and then you've got your reverse camera. Digital climate control, 6-speed manual transmission, heated front seats, electric seats. These run on a 2-wheel drive, and then you can just 4-wheel drive if you so wish. But a lovely, lovely truck. Passenger seats in great condition. Everything about it is in perfect order. I don't smoke, and I can tell the previous keeper in this vehicle also does not smoke. Leather trim steering wheel is in superb condition, in great order. But yeah, what a lovely, lovely piece of kit. In the rear of the vehicle, it doesn't look like anybody's ever been in the back, to be honest with you. But we'll take a look and you can decide for yourself. I'm sure they have. But the kick plates and everything, the floors are all in outstanding condition, and then the seats are all in lovely, lovely order. Even looks brand new under the actual wheel arches and everything, nice and shiny still. Good set of tyres on it, mud flaps. I do like these, they drive really nice. I like the rear spoiler on the top of that tailboard. Easy to use tailboard, there's your reversing camera as well. You've got the tie-down wraps and everything in there, and then the aluminium or the steel bed. Probably could do with the benefit of a load liner in there, I would have. But all in all, an absolute fantastic vehicle. Now, if you'd like to reserve it, we take you £250, and that will take the car off sale and get it ready for you. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, we can give you a price over the phone, that isn't a problem at all. Look, nice front there, isn't it? You can see the LED signature lights there. If you do need a tow bar, we can get tow bars fitted by our local supplier on this vehicle if you require that. But all in all, a fantastic truck. Have a look on our website. You'll be able to get the finance figures on the vehicle. Part exchange, we'll give you that over the phone. Finance, we can give you a quote. That'll be on our website as well. But there's myself, Graham, there's Lee, and there's Don. Either one of us will be happy to help in any way we can. I'm sure you'll find this outstanding vehicle to your liking when if you did come and view it. So thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.